Hi, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. The SPARC project provides well-curated data sets and knowledge bases for advancing bioelectronic medicine. The SPARC project also provides web tools for exploring these resources. This includes viewers and different maps to explore connectivity, for example, anatomical connectivity. However, the problem we have is that the SPARC portal lacks the ability to easily integrate new features. So here are examples, some of these new features that are quite difficult to easily integrate. These include being able to perform customized searches across different data sets, being able to modify and extend existing functionality, such as those of the viewers, being able to add new interactive features, for example, the ability to annotate medical images, having chatbots, for example, and also it's challenging for non-technical users to be able to interact with building such new features. Furthermore, there's also a limitation in that most of these capabilities provided by the SPARC portal cannot really be used while these models and the data sets are being developed. So also, another challenge is implementing such capabilities is a significant overhead for the SPARC community. So our solution is SPARC Plugins, a framework for dynamically integrating rich interactive web apps into the SPARC portal in accordance with FAIR principles. We provide the ability to build these plugins that can access SPARC resources, reuse and extend existing SPARC viewers, link to all SPARC computational services, integrate rich interactive features, such as the ones I mentioned earlier, and much, much more. So what we've done is we created a modified version of the SPARC portal. And on that portal, we have a new dedicated plugins page where users can browse and activate plugins. Here is some examples of the plugins we created. We created the standard Hello World plugin. We've created a plugin that shows how we can extend the simulation viewer. And we've also created an AI chatbot plugin that can allow us to search data sets. And finally, we've created a plugin that shows how you can view and annotate medical images. Here we use the NN interactive state-of-the-art AI model, which has been pre-trained on 65,000 images from across 120 public data sets around the world. So this shows the power of how we can build these plugins. And these plugins are dynamically integrated in the portal without needing to, without needing to add any more code to the portal itself. We've also provided a cloud-based plugin development environment directly within the portal. This allows you to register new plugins, automatically build them, and test them all within the SPARC portal, and also submit them for review by the SPARC development team. We've also added generative AI support, which allows building and integrating plugins directly from a prompt. And this is also directly on the SPARC portal. So this enables non-technical users to rapidly prototype plugins for their needs. We've also provided a local plugin development environment, which is easy to set up and container-based, which deploys a local version of the SPARC portal. And this can load locally stored data sets. So here's an example of it being used for annotating MRI images that are used for diagnosing breast cancer. So we've provided tutorials that show how you can build these plugins. Now, in terms of our impact, SPARC Plugins promotes reuse of existing SPARC resources. It enables users to easily add new features dynamically into the SPARC portal. It empowers non-technical users to contribute and build tools that are catered for their needs. And it also reduces the reliance on core engineering teams, and by enabling broader participation and enabling faster development. So because it's built on FAIR standards, it'll enable SPARC resources to be integrated into other portals and platforms being developed around the world. So I'd like to thank the SPARC program and our Codeathon members. Thank you.